At Cytek Solar, we provide clean, affordable, and smart energy solutions designed to power lives and businesses across the continent. We design, supply, and install IoT-enabled solar system solutions for sectors such as agriculture, construction and real estate, education, health, tourism, and hospitality. We also pioneer small-scale wind turbines for hybrid energy solutions, portable power stations that bring instant, flexible power to household and small enterprises. Other products and services include borehole solarization, solar water heating solutions, and solar lighting solutions. We help our clients save money, enjoy energy independence, and live sustainably. And with our lease-to-own models, clients pay only 30 to 40% upfront and spread the balance over 6 to 24 months interest-free. Since 2018, Cytek Solar has installed over 1.2 megawatts of solar capacity, sold more than 1,000 portable power stations, and empowered over 1,500 clients while displacing more than 900 tons of carbon dioxide every year. To get our products and services, call or WhatsApp us today on 0794666111 or visit our website at www.cyteksolar.com. We are located at the Mirage, Tower 2, M1, Office 10 in Westlands. Cytek Solar, powering Africa with affordable, smart, and sustainable energy.